Here's a short video about how to remove the rear springs of your MGB. It's very easy. What you have to do is support the chassis with some axle stands and support the axle itself with your floor jack. Now, it's just a matter of removing the 4 nuts on the shock absorber plate. Remove the bottom plate, remove all the rubber parts as well, which are going to be discarded and renewed in this case. The idea is to renew the springs because they're completely sagging. All the hardware is going to be renewed as well. It's a very cheap part and might as well renew it while we're at it. So the rear shackle is quite a hassle because the access is limited. So I strongly suggest you get these ratchet spanners to make a quick job out of it. On this side is the easy one as well. The other side is has the exhaust in the way, which you have to remove. So see, this is quite a fiddle. Not enough space to get a ratchet through there, unless it's the ratchet spanner, which I didn't have at this point. Now I do. If you're lucky, the front bolt should come out. If you're not, it'll be rusted through and you'll have to cut it. In this case, it was fairly easy. And end the operation by removing the rear shackle, and there you have it. It's a piece of cake. Here's a comparison with the old versus new. It's going to be installed, as I said, with new rubber and hardware. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you all in the next video.